Hey teachers, this is a very quick tutorial on how to get photos from your class dojo portfolios and be able to save them and then eventually upload them to Google Drive for the virtual assemblies. Now, as a reminder, we do need to have parent permission in order to share these images. And if you have a relationship with the parent where they can just text you the photos, that's usually the easiest way to do it. But if you don't and you need to get them from the portfolios, watch this tutorial. Unfortunately, Class Dojo has not made it easy for us, so we have to get a little creative. Okay, here's an example classroom, just one that Lisa set up. And what you need to do is go to the top and click on Portfolios. Now, Portfolios is a really awesome option. If you didn't know, you can actually create activities for your students to participate in. And maybe it's just a challenge to have a picture of them reading or something like that. But you can click on Create Activity, you can describe it, and it'll have what you want them to submit. But you don't have to do this. Parents can also upload to the portfolio whenever they feel like it from the parent view. So here we have a photo uploaded from, sorry about that. As I was saying, here is a post that was uploaded by William Serber's parents. So you click on the photo and it pops up as a larger size for you. Unfortunately, we can't just right click on this and save it because Class Dojo has blocked that. So if you are on your school MacBook, you are going to have to take a screenshot of a selected portion of your page. In order to do that, on your keyboard, you will hit Command, Shift, and the number 4 all together. And what that's going to do is turn your cursor, if you look on the white part, turn it into this little cross with a circle in the middle. And that is what you're going to click and drag to get your the part that you want screenshotted. So I'm going to go up to the top left-hand corner of this picture. I am going to click and hold down as I drag the box to the rest of the picture. And then release. You probably heard that camera sound. If your volume is up, you will hear that. And then you have to figure out where your screenshots are being saved. So what you will do is go open Finder, and you will have your Finder window, and mine show up on my desktop, and you will see screenshot, and I know it's the correct one because it's 0405 and it's at 3:20 this afternoon. Now, if you're not sure what day or time it is, that seems to be happening to me a lot, you can click on the file and press your spacebar, and you will get a little snapshot of what that file is. Okay, and that's how you save from Class Dojo, or actually any website that you want to take a picture from, but you can't just save as from the website. The next video will show you how to upload these files from your computer onto our shared Google Drive folder for virtual assemblies.